I forgot on the last example, just make sure to write the solution for that last one. Even though we have already found the solution in the geometric part, you still, every time you're asked to solve something, you have to write and represent the solution. That's the whole point. And I forgot also to circle these. Whoops. There we go. I was afraid that last video got too long, so I have to adjust. All right, example 4. Let's look at what happens. In this case, it's already said equal to 0, so it would make the most sense to do Calc 0. I want you to try to do these two problems. Maybe Calc 0 for the first one would make most sense because it is already equal to 0, and Calc intersect would make most sense to the right one because it is, there's two different things on either side of the equal sign. But it's a stylistic thing. You can experiment around with it. You will still get the right answer regardless of what you do. So in this case, I put it in the calculator. I chose to do Calc 0 in this case, and it just made things a little easier. For us, it would end up looking like this. When we do Calc 0, we're looking for where it intersects the x-axis. So in this particular case, you can see that the graph will never intersect the x-axis. So that means this would be equal to the null set here, or the solution. I shouldn't say it's equal because it's not technically equal to anything, but the set is the null set or the empty set. For the second one, I hope you tried. I did Calc intersect when I did this one. That's what made the most sense to me. So you would do y1 and y2 is equal to, but again, you could have done Calc 0 if you wanted to. I'll show you what that would have looked like here. You would have done y1 is equal to the absolute value of x plus 2 minus 2x minus 10 instead. But I happen to do Calc intersect, and it looks like this here. Whoops, it goes from, and it happened to work in a standard window. Remember to put the scale, the point of interest, and the solution set. In this particular case, it only intersects once with the line that's given on the other side. So what happens graphically? Well, graphically, for our case, if we're doing Calc 0, it does not cross the x-axis, and therefore I know that it has no solution. If I'm doing Calc intersect and it happens to only intersect once, okay, there's only one solution. If it intersects twice, there's two solutions. If it doesn't intersect at all, there would be no solution. For example, if this guy over here looked like this, and we happen to have a line that looked like that, they're never going to intersect. That would be no solution as well. This last question here, create sketches for each type of output on the calculator. It would be kind of interesting to see, have that discussion in the classroom instead. So I think this is where I'm going to stop the videos, and then your teacher, myself, or one of the other teachers teaching Algebra 2 Honors can pick up and have this discussion in class and have you do these on the board.